Hi guys, my name is Joy and I'm a freelance makeup artist, and today I'm going to answer the question, what does lip gloss really do for your lips? So of course today we're just going to be using lip gloss and a lip brush. And pretty much with lip gloss, I know some people tend to think that it's for moisturizing your lips, but it actually is not. The purpose of lip gloss is just to highlight what you already have going on. So whether that is your natural lip and you just want to plump it up with a little bit of shine, or if you're like our model here and you've already got some lipstick on and you just want to kind of bring out what you already have. So as you can see, her lips are highlighted here, shiny a little bit, but I'm going to add a little bit more in the center and just give it that pop right in the middle. And this is a trick that some people use to make their lips look a little fuller, just right in the middle and on the bottom here. And this looks really good in photographs. So again, in summary, it's going to enhance, it's going to make your lips shiny, but it will not moisturize them. So thank you guys for watching and have a good day. Bye.